What about your uncle? You also learned some things from your uncle?
Of course. I mean, see, if you see today, our family is, Churchill Brothers, the club, the family, everything. I lost my granddad when I was just about 1 year old. So my father has been like the, the most senior father figure in the family, and all my uncles always obey him and do whatever he says. Like my granny, I have learnt a lot from her. So we have always been taught to learn, respect elders, and you must always listen to them and consider what they say.
One difficult question. It was said that during the tenure of your father as PWD minister, you were interfering in his department. Is it true? And what was your role in his department?
I have answered an interview on this for a length of, I think, 1 hour or half an hour, I don't know. I think you should go back and listen to that interview and then come back and ask me this question.
Because now the situations have changed. Now the functioning of your department, your father's department, is under scanner of Anti-Corruption Bureau. His name is also surfaced because one of the engineers said, because I did it because the minister had a noting on the file. In those circumstances, we would like to know again whether you were also part of certain decisions.
First of all, you don't have any proof against my father. Second of all, I was not even legally a minister or an MLA. So I don't think that you should even be asking me this question. I'm very sorry about that.
Does that mean that you are not helping your father?
How can I? My father was a minister. I am not even an MLA. And how on earth do you say that I have played a role in his ministry? I don't know.
So you are refusing that you are part of any of the decisions taken or
I can't play a role. You had the principal chief engineer, you had a chief engineer, and you had all the engineers and whatever there in their hierarchy. So where would Valanka play a role there?
Okay, as a Congress politician, whatever allegations are leveled in PWD or maybe in the health sector, in this job recruitment scheme, do you give clean sheet to all those, not just your father, other ministers?
How can I give a clean sheet? I mean, please understand, Rupesh, that today you are interviewing me as Valanka. And as Valanka, if you go and see your tenure in the past of the Congress, what role did I have to play in the ministry? What role did I have? I don't understand. This has happened in the past, and I plead to all of you that please don't misquote me and don't misinterpret me, because I meet so many people and they say that the way I have been portrayed is a very negative way, and I really fail to understand why. But good that you are asking me this question and I am able to answer on live television today, that I was not even an elected member. So how on earth would I play a role in my father's ministry?
Okay, now for Lok Sabha elections, your father is also in a race for South Goa ticket.
My father said he is in the race to you?
He has never said it to me. There are news that
he has never said that to me.
Does it mean that he will refuse a ticket?
See, end of the day, we are congressmen. Okay, we have a high command. I can't make and say things which would hurt the sentiments of the high command. I am here and I have been given a responsibility where I have to build a party. I can't make statements for my father, or I can't make statements for my family. And there is already a sitting MP there, Mr. Francisco Sardina. There is the high command there. So it is for all of them to decide.
You are making a statement without listening to my question. My question was that what would be your role in South Lok Sabha polls, even if your father is not in the fray?
I have to work for my party, whoever the candidate is going to be. It has to be that we all have to work to get that candidate elected. And that's what I said. I have to really work hard, build grassroots level, strengthen the party, get more and more membership, get the youngsters involved, make the Congress more active in whatever small way I can, and we have to abide by the party high command.
Politics and sports, which is most important for you?
I think both, but I think football is, something as a kid I have literally grown watching. Cricket is a big no-no for me, and football, the club itself is so dear. I mean, if you ask me during the World Cup time, 2014 or whatever World Cup, that entire month I'll be glued to the TV watching. I always support Portugal because it's something really close to our heart, or Brazil and Spain. So I think sports is an undying passion.
What about politics?
Politics is something I have to work and I have to really prove, and I can't comment on what Valanka is as a politician. People have to talk about it. But as far as sports is concerned, I am a CEO of my club. I play a very major role in balancing the, getting the right kind of players, giving a right platform to youngsters to show their talent.
Okay, now as Valanka Alemao, Youth Congress President of Goa, where do you see yourself 10 years down the line in Goa, as an MLA, as a minister?
If you ask me this question, I'm totally blank, but today itself, tomorrow itself, I have to do a lot. And coming forward, the journey, has just begun. There is a lot of hard work, there is a lot of strategy, there is a lot of, what I should say, getting people together. There's a lot of work to do, and there is no particular thing which I have dreamt of as Valanka 5 years from now will be this, or 5 years from now will be that. But yeah, I would say that I have to work hard and my work has to speak for me.
And for assembly, you will continue being in Benaulin, right?
You said it.
No, I'm asking you.
You said that.
I'm not supposed to decide for you.
See, as of now, the matter is sub judice. The case is concerned. We have a sitting MLA already who is working for the people of Benaulin. So there are many things. I mean, it's not a one-liner.
No, my question was that you would like to nurture your political ambitions in Benaulin constituency, or you would
I
like
still
to
belong to the Benaulin constituency. If you see my Youth Congress polls, the highest membership was from Benaulin constituency, all Goa. The highest was from Benaulin. So you can't take it away from me.
Okay, last question. As a Youth Congress President, one issue that you would like to take as a priority
there
as soon as you start
issues, Rupesh, there are many issues. And first of all, the biggest challenge right now is the university elections, which are just there. We have to see and work hard towards it. As I clearly said, it is not one Valanka who can build a Congress party, but a lot of like-minded people, the party workers, the senior leaders, all of us have to get together, my entire team as the Youth Congress team. So it's a lot of hard work, a lot of, making each other understand and putting all the egos at rest and working without differences for the Congress party and getting the Congress party back into action.
Thank you very much. This was Valanka Alemao. She is President of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Committee. She thinks that it's the right time for the Congress to get back in action and work as a major opposition for Bharatiya Janata Party, which had defeated the Congress during last election. She has analyzed the defeat of herself in Benaulin constituency, but she is not trying to talk about it right now, but she is saying that she is trying to correct whatever went wrong, and if given a ticket, she is contesting from Benaulin constituency again, right? Yeah. One thing she said is that she is still in the learning process as far as politics is concerned, but as far as sports is concerned, football is concerned, it's a passion and she will follow it till throughout her life. And one important thing she said was that she is not a judge to judge the performance or to judge whether someone did wrong or someone was right during Congress tenure, but also she has clarified that she has been portrayed negative for no reason in the media and among
Please help me to portray me the right way I am.
Okay, this was Valanka Alemao. You are watching Counterpoint, your own interview series on Prudent that comes on every Monday at 7:30 and 9:30 p.m. Keep watching Prudent.